Hello everyone. Today we'll be doing the chart analysis of Nifty, and along with that we'll look at US oil, which is the crude oil. So first we'll talk about US oil and then we'll move to Nifty. Okay, so in the US oil chart we can see that it has formed something like a hammer, a bullish hammer. So a bullish hammer is a candlestick where the price opens at the upper end of the candle and the body is around the upper end, and then it goes down and comes back to the top. Okay, this means that this is like a bullish candle and most likely it can go up, and now we can see that there is an up move in US oil. Okay, so how far it can go? So let us zoom out a little bit first. Okay, so here you can see that this is like a bear flag pattern, and in this bear flag there is a sharp down move and then there is some sideways chop inside this channel before breaking down. Okay, so if I zoom into the chart a little bit, we can see that there is a breakdown in the oil chart. Okay, now after a breakdown happens, it usually tries to check back at the channel low end. Okay, so here it has fallen down and now it will mostly check back until this point before going down further. Okay, now this point is around $98, which is beyond our comfort zone, like India's comfort zone. Okay, so most likely Indian market will see some kind of a correction or a pullback. Okay, so this is what we saw today. There was a little bit of a correction here. Okay, so let us move to the chart of Nifty. Okay, now here you can see that Nifty has been in this range since quite a long time. So it has been like since 2020, it has been in this particular range. Okay, so it has bounced on and off inside this channel before breaking down during the Israel and Iran war. Okay, so now if you see here, we had a very V-shaped recovery from the bottom of the chart. Okay, so over here if you see, we had a V-shaped recovery after falling down sharply. Okay, now it is at the lower end of this particular channel from which it broke down. Okay, so let me zoom out a little bit here. Okay, so generally the tendency of the chart is like whenever it breaks down, it tries to check back to the channel low end before continuing downwards, or maybe just consolidate here. Okay, sometimes it may even climb inside the channel because it might be some anomaly due to which it fell down and now it just recaptured the channel. Okay, so that can also happen, but right now I am in the camp where I see some bearishness in the market, and I would suppose that the first level of support would be around 23,800 to 23,900. If it breaks from there, then the next level of support would be around 23,500 and the next one would be 23,100 to 200. Okay, so that is my assumption, and based on the chart of crude, it is highly likely that it will at least reach the first level of support around 23821, and then we will have to see what kind of global cues we have, whether positive, negative, what will happen to the crude oil in the war in the Middle East, those kind of stuff. Okay, so based on that, it will decide the next move. Okay, so for now, I am bearish on Nifty, and I have taken a bearish position as well. So that is my analysis. If you like this analysis, do press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.